guys, welcome back to another video. And if today is your first time here, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. Please ensure to like, share, and turn on the post notification bell. Subscribe so you get notified whenever I post a new video. I bet you're not gonna regret it. So anyways guys, today I'm gonna be working on my client's dread. So I recently locked this dread. I think her dread is about 5 or 6 months old, and she came in the salon. She was like, "Fancy, you know what, I need to lock my hair. I'm done." I was like, "Okay auntie, I've got you." So we did the locking of the hair, and then after 6 weeks I think she came back and I did another interlock. So this was around, I think after 3 months she came in again. She booked an appointment and she wanted some treatment. She wanted to do the retwist and of course wash the hair. So when she came in, I noticed that I have to work on the body of the dreads. And also when she came in, I noticed that her hair grew fuller and long. And yeah, that's what you actually get when you have locks. Your hair tends to, grow faster and it gets very full. So yeah, but the difficult part of this interlock or retwist, sorry, was that the hair, like 2 3 were all locking together. I think the time she have taken to come back, which was actually very fair enough, it actually helped the dread to lock properly. But the problem was like most of the locks were already like locking together, which was actually very painful, and it was a lot of work, especially with the pattern. But I'll leave you to watch this video carefully so you can see how I did the interlock in details. This is not interlock, I'm sorry, this is a retwist. And also I used the comb method, and this was the hand method. You can actually twist with your hand and you can twist with the comb, but I used the comb to twist most of the dreads, yeah, as you can see in the video. So I just did a little example of how I twisted with my hands, just the one I did previously. So I'm really happy with the size of her locks, which I really advise most of my clients. If you're getting your locks, depends on your hair texture and the size of lock you want to get, because if you're getting a small size with a tiny hair, it might look nice now, but in future you're definitely gonna regret it because they will start falling out because of the size. So this size was actually perfect for her hair, and I was really happy with the way the old dreads were going, was coming out actually. So I'm almost done like retwisting the hair. Like literally this is the last part, and I'm gonna work on the last threads now. So I used the comb to do most of the retwisting, like I said before. And also this is the styling gel that I used on the screen, and as you can see, the body of the dress are all looking more nice and neat. So I always like to add mousse to the dreads, and add some spray, put it on the dryer. The drying part of the dreads is actually the work, because you need the dreads to dry properly. Sometimes it takes a while depending on how full your hair is. Yeah, you just have to be patient anyways. So the hair is dried I just need to take out the pins now, which I'm doing, and then we're gonna give it like a quick style, a quick cornrow style. And maybe I'm gonna make a video, a proper video on how I do my dread styling. Definitely not this video, because I had to fasten the whole video, because the video was already like getting too long. And yeah, I'll make a video definitely on how I do my locks. So we're just gonna you know, try to style the locks all back and leave some at the ends, or at the back rather. So I'm gonna spray some sheet spray, cover it up, tie it up, put it under the dryer for 2 to 3 minutes, and voila, our dread it's ready. My client was actually happy. I was happy with everything. I hope you learned something from this video, guys, and if you do, please like, share, comment, subscribe. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.